I'm Dwayne and I'm going to show you how to build an indoor kids tent. Kids love a cubby. They love a place to go chill away from mum and dad. To build the kids' indoor tent, you will need timber dowel, timber skirting, drop sheet, glue gun, glue sticks, tape measure, rope, glove, and your safety knife. The first thing we need to do is build our base. I've pre-cut our base into 1240 by 1240 square. You can cut your timber skirting at home, or you can get one of the team members at Bunnings to do it for you. Lay the timber down 100mm from the edge with the corners touching. I have my hot glue gun ready and I'm going to place 3 dots of glue on the timber skirting to glue it to the drop sheet. Now that we've tacked it down, we're going to put a big strip of glue along the sides and fold it over. Once all the timber is glued, you will see there is a pocket in each corner. This is where the poles are going to go. We're simply going to tack it down with a dot of glue. The base is done, so you're going to need an extra set of hands for the next part. Put the poles in the corner pockets and I'm going to secure them at the top. Make sure the poles are in the middle and tie them up. Our poles are in, so I'm going to put the canopy on and I'm going to use this drop sheet that I got at Bunnings. Make a cut so the tent poles fit through the canopy. Don't forget your safety gear when you're using a knife. Ta-da! And just like that, our kids' tent is done. You can jazz it up with some pillows, toys, a rug, whatever the kids want. The kids will love this. Now they've got somewhere to play, that's all theirs.